I'm going to show you how you can fix Roblox error code 600. Now, Roblox error code 600 means you have been banned by the game. So first off, the first step you want to do is that you want to understand why you got banned. If you got banned because you did something bad, then I suggest you don't try to get around it, because if you do, you'll probably get banned again. But if you think you were banned incorrectly, there's a couple of things you can do to get around this. First off, in Roblox, there's two kind of bans: IP bans and device ban. If you're in an IP ban, you can fix it by either turning off your Wi-Fi and then switching to data, or turning off your data and switching to Wi-Fi. See which one it works. If that doesn't work, you can try something called a VPN. I recommend a free one called Proton VPN. This is completely free and it's completely legal and it's completely ethical as well, so don't be afraid to use it. If you got an account ban or you got a device ban, then you can try creating a new account. But of course, if your old account has Robux or cosmetics, then that won't be carried over. Another trick you can try is that some Reddit users has reported that if you try clearing the cache on mobile devices, so for example, if I go to apps here and then I go to wait for this to load, if I go to apps and then on apps I go to manage apps, and then on manage app I would just go ahead and find Roblox like this. Let's just wait for this to load. Now, the logic behind this is that when you clear cache or reinstall Roblox, you can help clear some old data or stored data, temporary files that are related to the ban, right? So if you do that, sometimes it could fix, but it's not a done and done method, because some users have reported that that doesn't work. So if you go to Roblox here and then you go to clear all data, tap on OK, and then try go into Roblox again and see if you're still banned. If this doesn't work, you can just also uninstall and reinstall Roblox as well.